So hello students, so we are into the third part of our series in banking, especially what we call recurring deposit RD. So we are doing RD recurring deposit. So first two video lesson you have seen, they were on finding maturity value, which I did, which is your money principal, you are one who deposits monthly installment into number of months plus interest paid by the bank. And second lesson was on your finding the rate. This is the third lesson on finding monthly installment, and fourth one, which we'll see very soon, will be on finding N. So there are four unknown here if you see, M, V, P, N, I. So today I have finished this I am doing, R I have done, so N is left. So that will be a quadratic equation which we will see in part 4. So here we start with finding the monthly installment. So I take 2020 question was on rate. So in ICSE 2019 question 5B was on banking recurring deposit. So Rekha is given, we have to find her monthly installment, how much she deposits every month, and 20 months she deposits, rate of interest is 9 and interest is given. So as you know, in previous lessons I have told you there are two formula. So here we are just going to use the first one, see how. So today's question 1 is, we use this formula just in the opposite way I'll write. So P into N plus 1 into R by 100, 2 into 12, this is what is I. So let us substitute, Rekha puts, let it be P money, let P be the monthly installment, let P be the monthly installment, okay, let P be monthly installment. So let P, N is how much given, children? 20 months, 20 into 21, N plus 1, R is 9, and this comes by formula 2 into 12 by 100. Remember, this 12 is very important, you have to remember, and it carries mark also generally. So 12 or 1 by 12 what we have. So let us see what we can cancel out. 0 0, 2 5s are 10, okay, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. So P, and let us substitute the value of I. I is given, children, rupees 441. So let P be on the left side, 441, 2 into 4 into 5 goes up, denominator becomes numerator, and this side we have 7 into 9. So let us try to cancel this by 7. 7 6 are 42, 2 plus 1 3, 63. So 9 1s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So what do we get? 7 into 2 into 4 into 5. This much rupees is, I think, Rekha's monthly installment. So how we do, children? 7 2s are 14. See, a little bit mental maths I use. 7 2s are 14, 4 5s are 20. This you can write it as 14 into 2 into 10. This is nothing. 14 2s are 28 and 1 0 comes. So this is what is monthly installment of Rekha. Once more, N is given, I is given, R is given. We substitute. I write this formula to left and take I to that side because we have to find P. Unknown should be alone, generally on the left hand side. I could have put it there also. So I substitute, I cancel, I get PS 280. So children, this was ICSE 2019. 18, as you see, some other question had come. I told you 2020 rate came, and 17 again was on monthly installment. So my second and last question will be 2017. So kindly pause the video and copy nicely. So now we take the second ICSE question, which is 2017. Here there is one person, Mr. Richard. He gets interest of this much. So what is his monthly installment? Given he deposit P rupees. Let P be the monthly installment, or let us take X this time for 3 years and rate is 7.5. So year 2017. Let the monthly installment be rupees X. So what do we get, children? See this same formula X. I am not writing formula, and same way as previous sum I will be on the other side. 36 months. I told you N is always in months. 37 into 7.5 by 2 into 12 into 100 is equal to 8325. So remember, as compared to other sum I see here, it's a big calculation. So you have to be very careful to get the answer. So see how I am doing. So you can see how I am cancelling. 2 18s are 36. 12 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Next, we see this will go decimal. Here, your 10 will come. One decimal goes, 10 will come. So this you can cancel 4s are, and this is 3s are. So now let us see what do we get is this. X you keep here, 8. Little down I will write, because still we have to cancel. 8325 into 2 into 4 into 10. This goes up, and what is left here? X stays here. Okay, 3 into 37 into 3. So this and this. So let us try to cancel by 3. Therefore I had space here. 3 2s are 6. 2 remains. 3 7s are 21. 2 remains. 3 7s are 21. 1 remains. 5s are. Again you cancel with 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6. 1 remains. 15. 3 5s are 15. So we are left with this. So now children, just I'll show you. Only 37 is left, and generally you will see monthly installment will be whole number. So what you do, 925 you divide with 37. So this I am trying to divide with 37. 2s are 74. You get 18 and 5 comes 37. 5s are 185. So when you cancel this, you get 25. So what we are left with? 25 into 80. 2 4s are 80, and when you multiply, children, we get 25 into 80 as 2000. 25 8s are 200, 10. But it has a second part of the question. What is monthly installment? First part we got. Second part is how much money does he get at maturity. So we know maturity, his monthly installment into time plus I. So he is putting, Richard is putting 2000 for how many months? 36 months. So this is what I call, children, it is his money, what he is depositing. And how much bank is paying? Bank is paying 8,325. So finally when you add, children, this will give 72,000 is his own money plus 8,325 is paid by the bank as interest. So final answer is 80,325 rupees. So once more, if you see his money, 20,000 into 36, 72,000, and this is interest paid by the bank. So this is his total money. So this may be 3 or 4 mark question. Generally for correct substitution and writing you get 1 mark. Getting your monthly installment another mark, and getting his money which he gets back after 3 years another mark. So this may be 3 or 4 mark question. So please try other solved and unsolved example on monthly installment. So please pause the video and copy, and thank you boys for watching.